I'll see you 1 year now. I haven't gotten to 500 subscribers.
Drama queen.
Hey guys, and welcome to a new vlog.
Welcome to our video. Today we're gonna be kayaking.
Yes, today we're going kayaking, and we've never gone kayaking before. Have you gone kayaking before?
Never.
We've never gone kayaking before, so today we're going to be kayaking, and we came to Amazon Kayak. I think that's what they call this place.
Yeah. Oh
but the place
God.
is kind
It
of
looks so cute.
hidden. The place is kind of hidden. Like you will not know that something is happening here
Like,
till you enter inside here.
When we got here at the gate, I was like, am I lost?
And so I asked
Where do you
my
have to go
boat
inside?
driver, like, are you sure this is
What's
the right
going
place?
on?
He said, yes, this is where the map. And I was like, don't worry, maybe I don't even know. I'm not going to the place. That place is too ugly. I'm not going to take a video of outside for you.
No,
but
we need to show people.
the place,
We need to tell them the truth.
the place is not fine. But when you now come inside, it's okay, Sha.
It's pretty.
So we're going kayaking today. Like,
Doris is gonna embarrass herself.
subscribe, and share, and drop a comment on whatever content you like to see next on my channel.
Me, I'm a fish. Doris, I'm going to push you.
Fish, you enter that death water. This is your skin. You just turn. You just turn.
It actually looks scary.
I'm not sure we're going to do kayaking.
What do you want to do?
We'll just do that ball. I beg, I cannot enter this water. Now I know.
But with the kayaking, no, actually, oh. Chineke.
Now, why this
It's
water
green.
is not going to drown. So when we got here, we paid. You can either pay by transfer or you pay with cash, and then a coach is going to go with you. They can either attach your boat, your kayak to his own, or you can paddle your kayak by yourself, but he will be with you everywhere you go.
Enter now, don't be scared. It's at the shore, I'll be at the end. Wait, I don't know where the
I'm not even going to lie, this thing was scary. It was very scary. But it was a nice experience. And the coach is going to attach my kayak to his own, because me, I cannot just paddle this thing myself. It was a nice experience, just that and we went all the way down. I was on my phone there, so I couldn't video it.
Smile, my friend. My first kayaking experience.
You don't like water, so maybe I strongly advise against it. But it was nice. There will be a coach there that will paddle your boat for you. So
No need to worry.
ball was so nice. I wish I took my phone inside the ball with me. It was very nice and fun. You guys know that me, I like playing, so it was fun to me. And inside that thing is hot. That's just the truth. Inside that this bubble ball was so hot, but it was a very nice experience. I enjoyed. I played. I laughed like a child. Overall, I'm going to rate Amazon Kayak an 8 because this place, like, it's so like the entrance to this place was just so bad. I'm not even going to lie, but it was nice. Just something that you can do if you want to try something new in Abuja. Not every time restaurant. If you want to try something, you can come here. And I think the place is new. I don't know if it's very new, but I know that it's not been up to 1 year since they started it. You guys, when I came out from this thing, number one, I was sweating and I was so dehydrated. Like my heart was beating so fast. I thought that I'll have a heart attack. Gonna get some things like some hygiene products and just basically my soap cream and some things. Just have to restock my beauty products for the month. So I'm going to H Medic's pharmacy. I'm very sure H Medic's is almost everywhere. So I'm going there to buy the things I want to buy, and then after that I'm just going to come back home. So please don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video if you enjoyed watching. Can give this video a very big thumbs up. Please guys, just help my channel. I'll soon be 1 year and I haven't gotten to 500 subscribers, so please subscribe, like, share and do all that thing that you do. Thank you. Currency. I didn't even get everything that I wanted to get because some things were not available, and see how much it cost.